Welcome to ALEKS, the personalized learning platform that helps you master concepts, stay ahead, and succeed in your academic journey. Your ALEKS experience begins with the initial knowledge check. This essential step evaluates your current understanding and sets the stage for a learning path tailored just for you. But remember, honesty is the key to unlocking your potential with ALEKS. When you solve problems on your own, ALEKS can accurately assess your understanding and provide the right support. Allowing someone else to do your work or guessing too much can mislead the system, resulting in a harder, less effective learning journey. So take ownership of your learning and let ALEKS guide you. Once completed, you'll see your ALEKS pie, a visual map of your mastery across topics. Each slice represents a subject area, showing what you've mastered and what's next. In learning mode, ALEKS focuses on topics you're ready to learn, giving you practice problems with immediate feedback to build confidence and understanding. Here's a tip. Use ALEKS before class to prepare for discussions. The Learn mode is a stepping stool to help you grasp the foundations of the topics in every module to help you in class or during an exam for when your professor will provide challenging questions, incorporating different concepts, steps, and solutions. Strengthening your understanding ahead of time helps you engage actively and make the most of every lesson. Preparation is the key to success. Next, you'll encounter module knowledge checks, which assess how well you've retained recently learned material. These checks are typically triggered after you've mastered approximately 20 topics and spent at least 5 hours in learning mode since your last assessment. They ensure your understanding is solid and contribute to your overall grade. Consistency is crucial. Don't procrastinate. Putting off ALEKS work leads to cramming, stress, and missed opportunities to build knowledge gradually. Stay consistent. Stay stress-free. Procrastination may lead to progress knowledge checks. Periodically, ALEKS schedules progress, knowledge checks to track your cumulative understanding. These assessments may occur at regular intervals, such as if you have not used ALEKS within 7 to 10 days from your last use, or after completing a module, measuring your long-term retention and readiness for advanced topics. These are ungraded, but take these seriously, as it can impact your ALEKS Pie progress. The review section is a powerful tool for revisiting tricky topics and reinforcing what you've learned. Regularly using this section helps you retain knowledge and stay ready for new challenges. It will allow you to access all mastered topics, even those from previous modules. This is ungraded and unlimited for non-stop learning and practicing. Success in learning isn't about shortcuts. It's about honesty, consistency, and determination. With ALEKS as your partner, you're not just preparing for tests. You're building a foundation for lifelong learning. Take charge of your education, embrace the challenge, and watch your confidence grow with every step you take. Your path to mastery starts here, and ALEKS will be with you every step of the way. Start your ALEKS journey today and discover the difference it makes.